Hey guys, welcome to Ben's Works. So this is my first project of 2018 and it actually wasn't meant to be this one. It was meant to be this one. So for those of you who follow me on Instagram would have seen the picture of my failed project. Now I had planned on putting some toilet paper in some resin, turning it on the lathe and making something really sweet, but unfortunately the resin just didn't soak all the way through the toilet paper and it was just a fail. So I went through my workshop to try and find what else I could build. And I found these tree branches that I cut a while ago. They're now nice and dry, so I figured I'd cut them into some slices, build a frame, and we'll try and make a side table. So I'm just going to use my drop saw for this one, and I'm going to cut these slices in 1/2 inch or about 12 mil. As a woodworker, the worst part of our job is sanding. The dust gets everywhere. Now I was fortunate enough to have the good guys over at RZMar send me a few of these to try out, and I must admit they are great. They are super comfy to wear, and for someone like me who wears glasses, and normally any mask I wear fogs up the glasses, this one just doesn't fog them up at all. They have a replaceable active carbon filter inside which can last up to 40 hours. They're lightweight and breathable so you don't sweat as much as a normal mask. They're also super easy to put on. Just one Velcro strip at the back and you're ready to go. So if you're interested in trying these masks out for yourself, head over to rzmask.com and type in discount code BEN15 and that'll give you 15% off your order. So now the cube's all nice and sanded, I'm going to start with pouring the resin. Now I'll be doing this in a 3-step process. Now the first step is going to involve me adding this metallic ruby powder to the mix, and I'll put that down first. Now while that's setting, I'll actually come through with my little wood cookies and put them in place. That way they'll harden with the base layer. So once that first coat's nice and dry, I'm then going to come through with a paintbrush and some clear resin, and I'm just going to paint the tops of all the cookies just to stop any air coming back up through the resin. And the final step will be just getting some clear resin, pouring it all over the top here and getting it to the height that I want. sides are nice and finished, the last thing I need to do is flip it up, take care of the top. Once that's done, I'm going to grab myself some Danish oil and just run over all these edges. It took me a little over 3 weeks and over 2 gallons of epoxy, but I finally finished it. So I ended up using the ruby metallic powder for this one, but you can also get it in gold, copper, bronze and aluminium. Let me know in the comments below what colour you would have chosen. If you like this build, give me a big thumbs up, it really helps me out a lot. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I put new how-to and build videos out every couple of weeks. You can also check out my Facebook and my Instagram. I post some sneak peeks of upcoming projects. And don't forget, if you want to grab yourself an RZ mask, head over there, type that discount code in and you'll get 15% off. Well, that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.